Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can pay the CRA with Scotiabank. In order to do so, here we are at Scotiabank.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask AI your questions at any given time. You get access to the top AI chat models, and it really is a fantastic addition to your internet experience. According to Cider, to pay the CRA through Scotiabank's online banking, here's a simple guide. First, you're going to want to log into your Scotiabank online banking account via their website or mobile app. Navigate to Bill Payments or similar section, add a new payee or pay a bill. Search for Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, or enter the payee code. If prompted, use the payee code 89888 for CRA payments. Enter your personal or business information, your social insurance number or business number, your tax year or other required details, and input the amount you want to pay. Confirm the details and complete the payment. Save the payee for future payments if you wish. Make sure you have your CRA notice of assessment or your tax information handy, and payments can take a couple of business days to process. Note you can also set up pre-authorized payments or linked accounts for easy future payments. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.